Welcome to the Design Studio for Educators online design course. This is Lesson 1, Layout and Composition. From web design to print products to videos, layout and composition are the building blocks of any design. They give the work structure and make it easier to understand. From the margins on the sides to everything in between, a solid structure creates a great foundation to build upon. Let's start with balance, because understanding balance will help you as you build content onto your canvas. Balance gives a design structure and stability and helps to distribute any elements evenly throughout your design. This gives the eye a clear path to follow. To understand balance, think about assigning a visual weight to each element in your design. Balance is the equal distribution of that weight. Balance can be achieved by using many elements like color, size, number, and space. It's important to remember that balance doesn't mean elements need to be the same size or that they must be distributed evenly across the page. Balance can be achieved through symmetry or asymmetry. Symmetrical balance is achieved when the weight of the elements is evenly divided on either sides of the design. Imagine an imaginary line down the middle of your design. Objects, text, and even colors should be distributed pretty evenly on either side of this line. In this example, while the icons are different, the size of the box, the color, the text, all of it are almost the same, mirror images of one another. This gives a clean, easy to understand appearance. Asymmetrical balance uses things like contrast, scale, and color to even out the flow of the design. At first glance, this design may seem unbalanced, but because of the stark contrast in the image on one side and color on the other, a balanced design is achieved through asymmetry because attention is drawn to the right things. Asymmetrical design can be a little tricky, but it really leads to designs that have a high level of visual interest. In your Lesson 1 workbook, linked in the course, take a few minutes to practice moving objects around on the slides to create one symmetrical design and one asymmetrical design that helps the canvas achieve balance.